Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. This emergency board meeting is called to address three urgent issues. First, we have environmental damage accusations, employee wage compliance, and community demand for support.
Thank you. As directors, we must respond responsibly. Let us begin with a clear understanding of the situation.
So financially, our company is performing well, but a recent report claims that our manufacturing plant has caused water pollution in nearby communities.
Initial findings show increased chemical discharge levels beyond acceptable standards. Employees are also protesting and they believe that their wages are not aligned with industry standard despite of rising company's profits.
And also, community leaders are asking for environmental rehabilitation and livelihood programs.
In this case, we must act in accordance with the good governance principles. Then let us identify which principles are involved.
So first is accountability. We are responsible for the company's actions, especially in environmental damage.
Secondly is transparency. We must disclose accurate environmental and financial information.
So third is fairness. Employee deserve just compensation.
Fourth, responsibility. We must comply with environmental laws and ethical standards.
I would also add stakeholder engagements because our decisions affects employees, customers, and the community.
Very well said. We have identified at least five governance principles. First, we have accountability, transparency, fairness, responsibility, and the last one is stakeholder engagement. And now, we must decide on our CSR actions.
So for that, we need at least three major CSR initiatives and any suggestions?
So for first CSR actions, we should immediately reduce carbon emissions and invest in waste treatment facilities.
Yes, we can upgrade machinery to eco-friendly technology.
And publicly release an environmental impact report.
I strongly agree with you. This supports accountability, responsibility, and transparency.
In CSR action 2, we should conduct a salary benchmarking study and adjust wages where necessary. Employees would also appreciate healthcare benefits and skills training.
We can also allocate our profits to a wage improvement plan.
Very well said. This supports fairness, accountability, stakeholder engagement.
So, we can establish scholarship and tree planting drives and seed grant business.
Yes, exactly, because partnering with local leaders will build trust.
Please formalize this through a community advisory council.
Yes, this reflects responsibility, transparency, stakeholder engagement. Let us clearly explain how governance guides these decisions.
Good governance. Ensure we do not act out of influence, but based on ethical standards.
Transparency builds investor confidence.
Also, fairness improves employees' morale and productivity. Also, accountability prevents long-term reputational damage.
Exactly, because ignoring these principles will surely affect our profits and may also fall in the future due to lawsuits, strikes, and public backlashes. And this also shows that good governance or our governance is not separate from CSR but strengthens.
May I read the proposed board resolution
Okay, you may proceed.
to resolve that the board approve approves first implementation of environmental rehabilitation program. Second is conduct of wage review and enhancement of employee benefits. And third is launch of a company development partnership programs.
Okay.
All in favor? Okay. Thank you. Therefore, the motion is carried unanimously. We prove that profitability and responsibility can coexist. Governance guides ethical leader, and ethical leadership builds sustainable companies.
Yes, everyone, because we are not building a profitable company, but building a responsible country.